Mumu, I'm live.
Are you live on your channel?
No, yours.
What?
This is yours.
Okay, so it's working now, but it wasn't working earlier.
Yeah, but it's working now. 5 people are on.
Okay. Okay, what about we just started like
Yeah.
this? Okay.
I don't know what I did, but there you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
I don't know what I did, but there you go.
Coming back. Okay. Sorry, go ahead. No, mungkin pemawera ni live the kani the ni ba ya. Kita ini dia ni yang lihat lah lo kira kau dah ni cuma dah like sarang ya. Berapa malah lu no pemi live lo ni atis kena mana. Ada kela wifi jiwa wifi na gini lah mana. Kau dah ni pakai ni live sakwadi. What happens? Get it dark.
We gotta touch.
Okay.
I
I have to
need my
touch it like.
seconds.
Okay. Okay, halagi ko ada no tadinya ini la October kici kuitali no kiro kisi no kayak itu dona ada soal daily current news la ko Amerika dah kayak ini no ye kue muda ye tak kamu muna Mohamed mana awe kira cukur gaji dah awe ni la data hotel awe ni madila cukup miti mana aku tadi no awe tahanya ini awe keketu.
It's back on.
Okay, basta niya. Kaya pamara live ta kani video kani ya. Apply kedu ada lama aku ya. Aku tani tahanya ini tak kom tadi lah. Tinya mana? What's the problem? I don't know. Like kau sa apply kedu kali.
Excuse me. Sorry.
It's just gonna go out
It's
like
gonna
this
go off,
often.
Yeah. I need to go into my settings and then if you want to I need to go into stop the live. So then we have to go into my settings and then turn it on where it does not turn off. Yeah.
Awak kebal leni wera la stage la kebal le buat bagi we mana. Aku tani. Icuma pakai live. Can we live another time? I mean like.
Yeah, that's fine. Well, we can go live another day.
Porque life ke la agak tahu mana, kita dah hanya ini, tapi kau ulah phone cakap le tinya ba. Cuma kita dah le YouTube dia, beli ni lah, pemain dah live ni, Allah pin dia. Belum ke awak main dah ni, nak kita Allah pin. It's turning off again. Okay. What about you go do your setting and maybe try to live again?
Yes, we can try it again. I will be back.
Okay, kau coba na awak kemana dah phone ni, pergi